Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. We have started our discussion for SEBI Legal 2025 exam, and in this video we'll be focusing on some learnings which we can take from previous year question papers of SEBI legal examination. Please remember the exam pattern changed in 2023. So while we have previous year paper analysis of 4 years available with us, we'll be focusing on the last 2 years, 2023 and 2024 more. In my earlier video, I have cautioned you that if you are targeting 2025 attempt, you should start your preparation now. In that video, I shared with you exam guide and study plan for working professional or for freshers non-working professional. Those documents are also added to this video in the description. This complete guide will give you all the information about the SEBI legal exam, exam pattern, syllabus, previous year cutoff, everything about this exam. Then there is study plan available for working professional and for freshers or non-working professional, which can give a direction to your preparation, help you streamline your preparation. After that, you have a live class plan. This is also added in the description. We are starting the new batch for SEBI Legal 2025 exam from 26th of May. And there will be regular classes for phase 1 paper 1, phase 1 paper 2, phase 2 paper 1 and paper 2. Discussion classes for all the papers will be there. Apart from all the content that is available in the course, these classes will provide you a platform where you can ask your doubts from the faculty, where you can discuss your queries with the faculty and engage in important meaningful discussions. If you enroll in the course, you can join the live classes from your dashboard. The links for various courses that iExamB is offering is also present in this document. You can check out the various courses. You can see what all content is available, how you can prepare for all these exams. In the live class schedule, for phase 1 paper 1, which is your quant, reasoning, English and GA, from Monday to Friday, every day from 9 am to 12:30 pm, you have classes of QRE. 9 am reasoning class, 10:15 am quantitative aptitude class and 11:30 am English class. There are 2 general awareness classes every week. One is general awareness discussion, another is general awareness MCQ discussion. You can join these classes regularly. Descriptive English classes will start soon once the notification is released, and your legal classes will start from 26th of May. There is intro class where I'll be guiding you about this exam, about the course, and after that you will have Constitution, SEBI Act, Evidence Act, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam classes. Then you will have IPC, SCRA. After that, you will have CRPC, Depository Act, IBC, Companies Act, SEBI regulations. We are trying to cover up first phase 2 paper 2 topics and then we'll move to phase 1 paper 2 topics. If you're already there in our Mega B legal course or SEBI legal course, these classes are already available for you. You need not subscribe again. You can just join these classes and discuss your queries with the faculty. Moving ahead with the learnings from previous year paper. We'll majorly talk about the law paper here, about paper 2 both in phase 1 and phase 2. The paper 2 in phase 1 has 50 questions of 100 marks. These 50 questions are to be attempted in 40 minutes. And the syllabus is also given. Phase 1 paper 2 syllabus has Constitution of India, Law of Contracts, Civil Law, then Administrative Law, Jurisprudence Interpretation, Law of Torts and Consumer Protection Act. Before 2023, Corporate Law, Securities Law was also a part of phase 1 syllabus, which was segregated and was only shifted to phase 2. So going by this syllabus, these have been the number of questions that have come from various topics over the past years. As I have already told you, we'll majorly focus on 2023 and 2024. The Constitution of India holds 20% weightage. That means 10 questions are expected from this. In 2023, there were 9 questions. In 2024, there were 13 questions, and mostly all the questions were from the syllabus. Then coming to Law of Contracts, 12 to 13 questions are expected because this holds 25% weightage. While 14 questions were there in 2023, only 7 questions were there in 2024. Then from Civil Law, which includes CPC, Transfer of Property, Arbitration and Limitation, 12 to 13 questions are expected, and there were 13 questions over here. Here there were 14 questions from this area. Then Administrative Law, Jurisprudence, Interpretation, Latin Terms, Maxims, 10 questions are expected. 11 were there in 2023, 10 were there in 2024. And from Torts and Consumer Protection, 5 questions are expected. So here there were 3, here there were 6. So this is how the questions were divided, and everything was from within the syllabus. The number of questions varied a little bit in 2024. Remember, for phase 1 paper 2, you just need to get 40 minimum marks, and to get those 80, you may target 50 marks. That means you have to attempt 25 questions with 100% accuracy. So you have the choice of leaving certain topics. I have told you in my multiple sessions, in my videos, that you can leave some of the topics, and one topic which students choose to leave is CPC. You are taking a risk of these many questions. Last year, yes, there were 6 questions. Out of 50, you are taking a risk of 6 questions. You can be prepared with all the other topics. If you are preparing CPC, you may even choose to leave administrative law, jurisprudence, interpretation if you find these topics a bit difficult. I will not advise you to leave the entire civil law or entire contract law because that may be to your disadvantage, but you can leave out 1 or 2 topics. After that, coming to your phase 2. In your phase 2, paper 2 has 70 multiple choice questions and 3 descriptive questions. The syllabus has criminal law, evidence, corporate law, securities law. Weightage is also given. Criminal law evidence will have 21 questions out of 70, corporate law 21 out of 70, and securities law rules regulations 28 questions out of 70. Now let's have a look on previous year paper analysis of phase 2. I'm again saying we'll focus on 2023 and 2024 because before that even constitution, contract, civil law was also a part of phase 2 syllabus. Therefore, focusing on 2023 and 2024. CRPC, IPC evidence, 21 questions are expected. These topics have 30% weightage, 21 questions are expected. In 2023, there were 22 questions from this area, and in 2024, there were 20, so very near to the weightage. Then coming to Companies Act, IBC and LLP, there were 21 questions from this area. This year, 2024, there were 22 questions. Please note, these are memory-based questions. So whatever the students share with us, we create questions based on that, based on the topics which are shared by the students. In 2023, we were able to consolidate all the 70 questions. But in 2024, we were able to consolidate only 63 questions. My assumption is that the 7 questions that we missed were from SEBI rules, regulations or securities law, because the weightage of criminal law or corporate law was almost reached. So given this assumption, you can see how many questions have come from the various securities law rules and regulations. From SEBI Act, there were 6 questions in 2023, 7 questions in 2024. So this is very important. All the 3 laws are very important. In fact, all the rules regulations are also important. From SCRA, there were 6 questions, but in 2024, there were only 2 questions. Now, there could be a possibility that there were few more questions which we were not able to consolidate. Depositories Act, 7 questions in 2023 and 2 in 2024. In 2024, there were questions from all the rules and regulations, while in 2023, questions were not asked from some of the topics. There were 2 questions from SEBI Inquiry and Penalty Rule, 1 from SAT Procedure Rule, 1 from PFUTB Regulation. There must definitely be 2 or 3 questions from SCST Regulation. We were not able to consolidate them, so this is my assumption. There were 3 questions from Prohibition of Insider Trading Regulation, 3 questions from Stock Exchange and Clearing Corporation Regulations, probably 1 or 2 questions from DP Regulation as well. So this can give you an idea on the importance of topics in phase 2. You cannot skip any topic of phase 2. You will have to study all the topics, and therefore if you're starting your preparation right now, first start from phase 2 topics and then slowly you can move to phase 1 topics as well, or you can take a mix of phase 1, phase 2 topics. But you cannot entirely just study phase 1 topics and leave phase 2 topics for later. This is all what I wanted to discuss in this video. We are starting a new batch from 26th of May. I have already shown you the class schedule. The class schedule is attached in the description. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iXambi and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.